To use text-to-speech on a Nothing Phone 4a, open the system settings for the first. Now, go below and open accessibility settings, then go to the select to speak, and over here click on this switcher, click to allow, and click OK. So as you can see right now, we can also find some settings that we can customize, like for example option to read in the background, read text on images, or for example we can change reading voice settings, so we can change its language. And now if I want to use it, well, we have to go over here and we have to get this text to speech extension. It's over here, we have to tap on it. And now if I want to, for example, read out this phrase, I have to click and hold, and now select text. And now it's just reading.
No text found at that location. Circle, tap or highlight anything on your screen to...
Let's do this one more time. We have to just enable it again. Then click and hold, select.
No text found at that location. How to use select to speak. Start select to speak.
There we go. So like this. But usually it works like you have to select this manually, but for some reason on the Nothing Phone 4a it's not working properly.